My name is Jay Rawat. I am working as a commerce teacher since last 15 years. At present, I am working as a commerce teacher in third school. First of all, friends, I want to congratulate you for the passing in the 10th examination board with the hard work and dedication. Friends, after passing the 10th examination, this is time for you have to choose your career. There are three streams available at present: science, commerce and arts. Friends, I understand it's very confusing to all the students for to select the stream. But luckily, you have choose the commerce as your career. I must say, by choosing a commerce, I must say, you have chosen the best opportunity. A one golden line I want to say, the commerce is the pioneer since ancient time. I believe that not a single stream can develop without help of commerce. If you take a science, you can become doctor or engineer. But what next? If you want to earn more money, you need a management. Friends, who moves the world? Answer is a commerce. Friends, even small house cannot run proper without proper management. So friends, what is management? Management is the art to getting work done with others. In commerce, you will learn things like planning, coordination, controlling, budgeting and many more, which is useful for everyone in every field. Hence we can say that without commerce everything is zero. For example, I will tell you about the new concept of commerce, which is e-commerce.
Of course.
Which is e-commerce. With the help of e-commerce, you can do the business in entire world. E-commerce make the world as a market. Everything is available at your doorstep with the single click. Isn't it amazing? So now I will tell you about what you will be studying in the commerce. There are main four subjects: account, stats, economics and BA. Out of these, I will teach you the economic subject. So friends, what is economics? Economics is the study of how the people use the resources to produce the things and distribute it among the different people. You also learn what is demand, what is supply, what is the cost, what is the relations between demand and supply, what is the relations with the cost and demand, what is the relations between the cost and supply. So all these things you will be learn in this subject. Again, you can learn about the various kind of a cost, like real cost, average cost, fixed cost, and other kinds of a cost. You can also learn about what is income and expense. Also, what is monopoly, what is market, what is economy, what is economical reforms like globalization, privatization, disinvestment, etc. And also the thoughts of what is national income, what is gross national income, what is a net national income, what is open economy, what is closed economy. Friends, these are the familiar topic that we have already learned in standard 10. You also will be familiar with them. So in short, economics is let us know what happening in the economy. So, what are the problems of economy? How we can solve it? Where we are failure? Where we are succeed? To get rid of some problems. What are the new problems are arrived in the economy? How can we deal with them? Again, lot of great peoples have also given their thoughts, like Gandhiji, Terry, Chanakya, as you know that these people have given their thoughts of economy, that if the any problems arise in our country, how we can deal with them, what are the steps taken to can get out of rid from these problems, and what kinds of problems have a already happened in the economy and how to solve it. So friend, what are the problems of our economy? We have to study about it. As you know that India is a developing country, so the problems like poverty, unemployment are the main problems of our economy. Again, what are the problems of foreign trade? What is our agricultural problems? These are the problems permanent in our economy. So why these problems are created? Because as you know that the main problem is population. Friends, we are the Indians have only 2.4% land of total world, where the more than 20% of population is living in this country. This is the main problem for all the remaining problem of our economy. So friend, what are the steps has taken by the government to solve this? This has been also you have to learn in this economics. Hence you also know that India is an agrarian country. Agriculture is the main occupation of India. Again, our agriculture is a poor because we have not sufficient capacity to use the modern technology. And what are the problems has been created due to this problem has been, so this backwardness leads to unemployment, and unemployment leads to poverty. These are the major problems of our economy, and after independence the government have taken a lot of action to remove this. Friends, after independence many steps taken by the government for the development of industry, and this leads to also development in our foreign trade, because if the foreign trade is not proper, country cannot get the development. For that government have also take a lot of steps. We will be study deeply and thoroughly about these topics in economics. So friends, now move towards your career. You can become a MBA, CA, chartered accountant, cost accountant, or a manager. You can become the good employee of a bank and much more. Like big entrepreneur, good salesman, etc. Friends, the main thing is that the commerce can give you the opportunity to become what you want. So friends, every field have a limit, but the commerce have a no limit. Again, I congratulate you and thank you.